This SUV shouldn't exist in 2027. It's completely rewriting what we thought was possible in luxury compact SUVs. The first thing you notice is the front fascia. Mercedes has gone bold, aggressive, almost intimidating. You can't help but stare at that grille. And when the headlights turn on, the LED signature doesn't just light up the road, it dominates it. You know immediately this is not your average car. Step inside and the interior feels like it was plucked straight from a luxury sedan twice its size. The dashboard, the ambient lighting, the futuristic infotainment, it's all meticulously designed. Every material, every stitch feels purposeful, almost like Mercedes challenged themselves to make this cabin a masterpiece. And the seats, they're not just comfortable, they hug you almost aggressively, keeping you in control the moment you sit down. Now let's talk performance. You wouldn't expect a compact SUV to move with such authority, but the 2027 GLA handles like a sports car pretending to be an SUV. The turbocharged engine delivers instant response, while the adaptive suspension keeps it planted even on sharp corners. This isn't a car that lets you relax, it forces you to feel the road. And yet, the ride remains surprisingly refined, blending comfort and performance in a way most SUVs fail at. But here's the twist that might shock you. Mercedes didn't just stop at performance. The 2027 GLA is packed with next-level technology. From advanced driver assist systems to an AI-powered infotainment that learns your preferences almost instantly, it feels like the car anticipates your every move. Voice commands, gesture control, augmented navigation, it's futuristic without feeling gimmicky. Let's circle back to the exterior because this is where the GLA truly breaks the mold. The aggressive lines, the sculpted curves, the widened stance, it's athletic yet luxurious. From the side profile, the car almost looks like it's ready to pounce. And the rear design, when you see those LED taillights, the diffuser, and the aggressive stance, you'll realize this isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Safety, of course, isn't overlooked. Mercedes has loaded the GLA with the latest features: adaptive cruise, collision prevention, lane keeping assist, and more. It's like having a guardian angel in car form, making sure you push the performance envelope without compromising security. What makes this GLA viral ready isn't just how it looks or drives, it's the feeling it gives you. Every angle, every light, every touch point is engineered to provoke awe. And for a 2027 model, it manages to combine heritage, technology, and pure driving emotion into one cohesive package. Now imagine pulling up to any location, the reactions you'll get, the heads turning. People don't just see this car, they experience it. It's rare for a compact SUV to demand respect in this way, but the GLA 2027 doesn't ask, it commands. By the time you've explored its technology, felt its performance, and admired its design, you realize Mercedes has achieved something extraordinary. They didn't just release a new GLA, they redefined what a compact SUV can be. This is more than a car, it's a vision of the future built today. And as the 2027 Mercedes Benz GLA rolls down the road, it's not just moving from point A to point B, it's rewriting expectations, challenging competitors, and leaving a mark on anyone who sees it. You thought SUVs were predictable, but Mercedes just proved you wrong. Every detail, every innovation, every curve screams one thing: this is a car made for those who refuse to blend in. And the best part? It manages to do all this while remaining practical, luxurious, and surprisingly attainable for its segment. So when you think about the 2027 GLA, don't just think about an SUV, think about an experience, a statement, a future that has already arrived. This is Mercedes-Benz setting the benchmark higher than ever, and it's impossible to ignore. And the moment you step back and see it parked, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLA doesn't just sit there, it dominates the scene. Every curve, every line, every light screams power and luxury. You thought SUVs were predictable? Think again. The LED taillights, the aggressive diffuser, the wide stance, it's not just a car, it's a statement. People will turn, people will stare, and you'll know instantly this isn't just another SUV on the road. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece. From the futuristic dashboard to the ambient lighting, it feels like every detail was crafted to impress. Seats hug you perfectly, giving you control and confidence, while tech features anticipate your every command. Voice, gesture, AI-assisted navigation, it all blends seamlessly, making you feel like you're driving the future today.